Hey everybody, it's Miss Miller. I just wanted to go over a few things just in case you are still confused on how to use Google Classroom. Specifically today, I'm going to be talking about how to answer a question on Google Classroom. So, first thing you need to do is you need to go to classwork right up here. Boom. All right, awesome. So for this question, I'm going to do this Friday free write, which I know is right here. It's my first thing on my thing. But this can work for any question that you have to answer in Google Classroom. So you're going to click on it. And whatever the question is will appear right here. And then you're going to click View Question. Now you see there's a couple different places where you can write things. You could write it as private comment. You could write things in class comments that all your classmates can see. And you can see that this is where your instructions for the question are going to be. But to turn in your answer to the question, you need to type it right here where it says type your answer. So the Free Write Friday question that I asked was, which animal has cuter feet, dogs or cats, and why? I'm going to say cats have cuter feet. And once I'm done with my my answer, I will turn it in. Easy. Always make sure you hit the turn in tab. Otherwise, your teacher won't be able to see it. And it's going to ask you if you're sure to turn it in. Yes, you are. Boom, done. Now your teacher has the answer to your question, and you're good to go. I hope that helped to answer some of the questions you might have had about submitting answers to questions in Google Classroom. Bye.